Ryan, how do you assess three bruising encounters?
Yeah, it was. No, I'm pleased with the performance, the character that the lads shown, the concentration against what is a very good side. Not only a talented side, but one that's streetwise. They've got a lot of caps between them, World Cup finalists. But no, we showed great character coming back from 1-0 down, didn't panic, and you want to be greedy, you want to win these games, but no, I'm more than pleased with the point.
I mentioned the bruising encounter. Obviously, there were 8 bookings, there were a lot of challenges. How did you kind of feel the game? Were you happy with the officiating?
Yeah, I mean, I was just there was a few fouls in the first half where maybe not yellows, but they were just stopping our flow. So we would win the ball back, looking to counter, and like I said, they're smart. So that's something we need to get better at. When you see the 2 centre halves get booked early on, you want to test them a little bit more potentially. But no, I was fine with the referee. A couple of 50-50 calls. But yeah, it was a very physical game.
So you haven't won either of the games. When you take the performances from Slovakia and tonight, do you think it's kind of collectively the best camp you've had?
Yeah, probably. Against 2 good teams, Slovakia, I thought the quality that we showed was very, very good. Tonight was a bit different. We had to dig in, we had to show concentration, work hard. The lads put a shift in. And also the lads who come off the bench contributed as well, because it's not an easy game to come onto that. And little half chances, I think we had 3 little half chances in the second half. DJ just after half time, then a cross that went out, and then Connor just got the ball stuck under his feet a little bit. And yeah, Croatia didn't really trouble us. A couple of half chances for them as well.
Ian? Ryan, you mentioned Daniel James there. How's he doing after quite a nasty collision in the first one?
Yeah, I mean, I've not seen it. But yeah, he stayed down. I say about players being smart, he was smart, he stayed down, he was fine. When the physios come over, it was no problem, and then obviously what you have to do now is do the tests at half time. He passed all the concussion tests, so no, he was fine.
And in terms of the whole group hungry run before your game tonight, how do you view the picture in terms of what you need to do in the last 2 games?
Well, we need to win the 2 games, but that draw could, that point could be vital. It could go down to head-to-heads with Slovakia. We're relying on Croatia to beat Slovakia. But yeah, we need to win our 2 games, and that's all we're concentrated on. It won't be easy, but we're capable of it.
Right, keeping ball had another good game about in terms of attracting Croatia to him and playing off it. Did he surprise you with how well he's adapted to Wales?
No, I've seen him 3-4 times last year, so I know the quality that he has, and he's actually got good feet. But he just gives us that different option. So I want to play out from the back, I want to progress along the pitch, but also if you get pressed, which Slovakia and Croatia are very good at, the midfielders jumping and putting you under pressure, then you have got that different option, that physicality up front to beat that pressure. And he was fantastic in both games and put a really big shift in, because he's in and out of the team at the moment, and which a lot of the players are. So to put 2 performances like that back to back, I was proud of them.
Beth, sorry,
Yeah, I mean, first of all, Ben Davies, great work from Ben, driving forward, loses the ball, good reaction, wins it back, and I thought the pass, I was right behind it, wasn't a lot to aim at, but yeah, when Gareth gets in them positions, he never lets you down. Just the composure, and like you say, not many chances, but when he does get them, he puts it away.
Beth, and then Tom, and then James.
15 players, just before playing regular top like football, are you therefore kind of surprised? Does it amaze you that this group of players have taken, the World Cup finalists, all the way on 90 minutes today?
No, I mean, it's not surprised me, because I see the quality in training, and we've got some top players as well. But no, it's credit to them. You know, we give them information. You know, we're playing against two teams who can hurt you. First of all, how do you stop them? And then the next bit is how you can win the game. And no, they're not surprised me. And I've said all along, you know, these experiences that the players do get at the top level. You know, for example, Joe Morel coming onto that in that game, high class game. I thought he was fantastic, because that is not easy, coming on in the centre of midfield against Croatia. So, and they'll just get better and better with that experience.
And do you think that's quite a big Welsh trait? Because, you know, the rugby team do it, the women's football do it, that, you know, we always play almost better than is expected.
Yeah, I mean, it shows tremendous character, commitment, professionalism, you know, to recover so quickly as well, but quality as well. You know, I see it every day in training. I don't get a lot of time with the players, but what they show doesn't surprise me. So then it's about transferring it onto the big stage, and they've done that.
Tom.
Ryan, just to be clear with Dan James, when he initially went down, it did look like he was motionless. Did he lose consciousness at any point?
No, like I said, he stayed down. He was a bit streetwise. He told the doctors, yeah, I'm just not moving. I'm just standing. Just sitting still. Yeah, not to get anyone sent off, but just, you know, using his nous. And like I said, at half time, did all the concussion tests, and it was fine.
James.
Ryan, can I ask, do you think this is perhaps the best result of your reign, and have you achieved it, do you feel, by perhaps compromising your philosophy at all? I mean, you know, you like to play out from the back. Is this the tactic we're going to see, or is this the way forward?
Well, it's the first time that I've been anywhere near naming the same team, which is good because everyone knows their jobs, but the physical aspect is tough, especially with players who aren't playing regularly. So I'm delighted that we could do that. And also regarding the philosophy, I always say it's that balance, you know, who you're playing against. You know, you don't go toe to toe against certain teams because you'll get unstuck. So when you have someone like Kiefer, a target man, use him. And defenders don't like playing against him. And then when he brings other players into the game, then you can play your football. Then you can have runs behind. You can have players taking players on. So yeah, I'm really pleased. Whether it was my best camp, I don't know. But it's a step forward where I've been able to not change the team.
Satish. And then.
Ryan, you said you were happy with the refereeing this match. Does that include when Lovren knocked Daniel James over and they then went up the other end and scored shortly after?
It was Vida, wasn't it, who knocked? Was it Dan James? Was it Lovren? Oh, in the box.
Just before the goal.
Okay. Right. No, I mean, there was a lot of physical challenges, and I only get to see it. You've maybe seen it a few times, and in slow motion, I only get to see it once, and I've not seen any of the challenges back. So maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, but yeah, it was a physical game, and they're streetwise. Like I say, I don't know what the foul count was. In the first half, I felt like it was 10 or 12, and I was more disappointed with them stopping the flow rather than the brutality of the challenges.
Yeah.
Sorry? Yeah, he was similar. He took a knock, but he was fine. Just spoke to him, and again, he was fine coming off. I'm not too sure. He just took a knock and just didn't feel 100%, so that's hence bringing him off. But he's fine now, no problem.
Joe Allen, everyone could tell by his face that how annoyed he was getting that. Yeah, and obviously that means he misses the next match. So quite a big blow for the team.
Yeah, and it just shows he knew that he was on a booking. I don't think he realised that there was a player behind him, and took one for the team. But yeah, we'll miss him. We'll miss his composure, his experience. But we've got players who can come in and do a job as well. So yeah, it's a blow, but we just have to get on with it.